We're going to look at solving systems by elimination. Remember yesterday we did crafting and substitution. Today we're doing elimination. That's because you skipped my class. Kind of. I'm aware where you were. You were not here. Yes, you were not here. That's what matters.
Is it all going to be on the video?
Did I mark you absent? Yes, I marked you absent.
Why is it excused?
No. Okay, so if we look at example 1a, 3x plus 2y equals 4 and 5x minus 2y equals 12, we're trying to solve systems by elimination. The definition of elimination means that we're getting rid of something. So we're looking for things that are the same to get rid of. What's the same?
2y.
2y, fantastic. Let's get rid of our 2y's. Not exactly. Are they the same sign or opposite sign? Very good. Opposite tells you to add, so we're going to add our two equations together. You learned this in Algebra 1, Unit 5. I don't get that till tonight. 3:50 is my ultrasound.
What is that?
Yeah. Anyways, go, so I can teach them about elimination. Okay, so we're adding our two equations, which means our two y's are canceling out. 3x plus 5x is
8x.
8x. 4 plus 12 is 16. How do I finish solving that for 8x? I will punch you.
I'll leave this class.
How do I solve this for x, guys? Come on.
Alright.
Kelson, how do I solve it? Thank you. So x equals 2. Thank you. Okay, so let's plug that 2 back in for x in our first equation. 3 times 2 plus 2y equals 4. That's 3 times 2. Yeah. 6 plus 2y equals 4. Subtract 6. So 2y equals negative 2, which makes y equal negative 1.
We're all going to Fresno.
Kelson, can you not be annoying? For the whole time I teach?
Wait, that's real.
Yes.
It's almost like class, guys.
No, it's not. It's fine. It's not. Yes, congratulations. Lots of women get pregnant. Students are pregnant. It's not. It'll be fine. But it's me though. Yes. 2x plus y equals negative 1. 2x minus y equals 7. What's the same? So you want to get rid of your 2x's? We get rid of our 2x's. Our 2x's and our y's are both the same. Okay. So are my 2x's the same sign or opposite sign?
Same.
So if it's same, then we subtract. That means we have to subtract everything, not just our first two terms, but 2x minus 2x cancels. Y minus a negative y becomes a minus a negative becomes a positive, so y plus y is 2y. And minus a negative becomes a positive. Negative 1 plus 7 is 6. So y equals 3. Okay, so we plug that back into our first equation to solve for x. So 2x plus 3 equals negative 1. Subtract 3. 2x equals negative 4. What does x equal? Negative 2. Yes, negative 2. You divide negative 4 by 2. Because you get 2x equals negative 4. Just one. You can pick whichever one you think will be easier. Okay. I was going to say, then you did something wrong, because no matter which one you plug it into, you should get the same answer. Alright, so if I look then at 2x minus 4y equals negative 7, 5x plus y equals negative 1, what's the same?
Y. No. Nothing.
Nothing's the same. Okay, so do you want to get rid of your x's or your y's?
Y.
Y's. Okay, then we have to make something be the same, so I'm going to multiply this whole equation by 4, so it becomes a 4y. Okay, so 4 times 5 is 20, so 20x. 4 times 1 is 4y. 4 times negative 1 is negative 4. You ignore your old equation. Alright, so I'm going to get rid of my y's. Are they the same sign or opposite sign?
Opposite.
Opposite. Opposite tells me to add. So my 4y's cancel. 2x plus 20x is 22x. Negative 7 plus negative 4 is negative 11.
Oh, next part is.
Yep. Divide by 22. X equals negative 0.5. Or negative 1/2. Alright, so I'm going to plug that back into my equation to solve for y. So 2 times negative 0.5 minus 4y equals negative 7. 2 times negative 0.5 is negative 1. Minus 4y equals negative 7. Add 1. Negative 4y equals negative 6. Divided by negative 4. Y equals 3/2. Or 1.5 if you want to be consistent and keep it in decimals. Alright, so then we get 2x plus y equals 1, 6x minus 3y equals 6. Do you want to get rid of your x's or your y's? Y's, okay. So then I need to make this top equation be a 3y so that my y's are the same. 2 times 3 is 6, so 6x. 3 times y is 3y. 3 times 1 is 3. Alright, are they the same sign or opposite sign? Opposite, so that tells us to add. 6x plus 6x is 12x. 6 plus 3 is 9. Divided by 12x equals 3/4 or 0.75. If I plug that back in then into, I don't know which one to plug it into, I guess, into this equation in black, 6 times 3/4 minus 3y equals 6. That becomes 18/4 minus 3y equals 6. 18/4 is, I don't know, I think like 3.5, we're going to guess. So it's like 3.5 minus 3y equals 6. Is it 4.5? 4.5. Can't reduce my fractions. I'm going to subtract 4.5 from both sides. Negative 3y equals 1.5. Divided by negative 3, divided by negative 3. What is y equal? Guys, I don't know. Do it in calculator. 1.5 divided by negative 3. Negative 0.5. Okay. Very good. You want to do one more?
Good.
You're good? Okay, fantastic. 5, 13, 13 through 30.